What's good, everybody? It's the one and only the Punisher Ninth Gaming, telling you, vote with your money and be responsible for, well, you know, what comes after that. Because you know there will be some people that, oh my God, he's telling people to buy the BattlePass, the BattlePass. No, I'm telling you guys, be responsible for what you do. I can only influence you so much to tell you what to do. It's up to you to actually do it. Me, this video more so is just to kind of go over what is in the Battle Pass. What the hell you do with your money is up to you. Me, personally, I'm gonna leave my thoughts out of it, so it's not to influence anybody in case whoever comes to this fucking video doesn't get all in their feelings and shit. Cause I'm gonna do what the fuck I'm gonna do. Take that for what it is. Anyways, how's everybody doing? My sleep is shit, but I'll survive. And I'm not gonna lie, there's some things in this Battle Pass that I do like. There's some things I can just ignore, like all the stickers. I don't give a shit about a sticker. A Stitch, Atler, a watch, XP. I go a little fast here, but don't worry. I will go back over this. I just want to kind of give you a glimpse of what's there, and then like I'll go over it more in detail. Oh, that's a new finishing move right there. That's a new character. Some more CP, if that's a thing you're into. This personally is what I'm into right there. Oh, a Groza, huh? Nice. See? Stickers and shit. I don't really care for it. 80s hip hop. Oh yeah, that's gonna give me a copyright. So far, decent stuff. What you come to expect from a Battle Pass at this point? Well, at least in my opinion. Alright. Check this gun out right here. I mean, it's okay. But I prefer to have Plague Diamond over it anyway. Oh my god, look at that Plague Diamond AK. Nice wood skin too. Oh, I love this right here. The green tint is amazing. Well, green's my favorite, well, one of my favorite colors, so that's definitely caught my eye automatically. Baker scan. I don't even have him unlocked because I didn't get 100 sniper kills. And this is me going back to the beginning, kind of give you a real overlook of like what you'll be buying. And this is the new character Stitch. Well, new operator. I think he looks badass, to be honest. That's the new Adler skin. You get automatically as soon as you buy it. That's a nice skin for him. But Punisher, you don't actually get to see the damn skins in game. Yeah, I know that. Trust me, I know that. These ones probably won't give me a copyright. But shit, who knows? YouTube has been real bitchy lately, so I can't be for sure. Oh man, those are some classics right there. We can skip that. The Gruza. No, that's a QBC. The back skin. It's a decent skin, I'd say. But it depends on if you're into that character in particular. I won't be using it. If I were to, Buy the BattlePass. Ah, the Mach 10. I think that's the Type Swing. I don't know. Look at this shit right here. That's fucking brutal. Sicario, that's for Garcia. I said new character, you're right. 357 with a built-in silencer. Okay. That's a basic ass skin. This one I really like right here. Oh yeah. Don't hurt him now, baby. The Groza. New gun. New gun. Eh, whatever. I don't care about that watch either. Eh. See, a good amount of this stuff is like whatever. But I thought I'd give you guys a real overview of like demonstration of what the character skins and everything else looks like. Some of this stuff I just kind of skip over. Not bad. Yeah, I'd skip that because that's going to definitely give me a copyright. Not bad. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Make sure you like the characters to have certain features, huh? Who the fuck wants a mini chopper charm? Seriously? It's a BO4 looking type of skin. Well, colors anyway. Now this skin is actually pretty cool. Damn, my gun is looking good. A donut? The fuck? Oh, that's nice to watch. Another LMG skin. It's basic as shit. Another watch. The wood skin again. Just kind of demonstrate you a little bit more. Not bad at all. Oh man, that is beautiful. Beautiful AK right there. Look. AK-7 for you. Probably had to take up that damn scope though. Decent skin. I'm still waiting for my damn Vietnam map, but that's just me. The FFAR. Decent skin. A fucking duck. What the fuck, man? The M16. Decent skin. I mean, they better pay Thunder for his fucking rights to that damn logo. They've been ripping him off hard. That's a nice skin right there. Yeah. More shit that'll give me copyright. Oh my god, look at that fucking skin right there. Holy shit. It's whatever. Not bad. Now this is what I really like. This shit is fucking sick. And this is a tier 100. Damn. That is so crazy. I like his vest. That's really cool. And then he got a little police helmet on. Well, on his side. That's a decent skin. And that's the end of the Battle Pass. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please like, share, and subscribe.